This is a short video on how to renew items you've checked out from the library. From our web page, scroll down to here, and you can either click Patron Login here, or you can click Advanced Search and you will find a Patron Login at the top right corner. Put in your Morningside email, just the first part, and then your Morningside password. It should take you to the advanced search page. All you need to do then is look up here, and you should see your name here. Click, and then click My Account. Here you are able to see which items you have checked out, which items you've put on hold, any fees or fines you may have, and if you have saved your searches, you will see any searches, you will see that here. To renew an item, click which ones you want and then hit renew, and you will see the date change here. Just a warning, if by chance someone already has a hold on the item you are trying to renew, it will not allow you to renew it. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.